When I first got my GoPro Hero Black, I found it very difficult to connect up to the computer. When you go to the options, it immediately steers you in the direction, when you go to preferences, it steers you in the direction of going to your phone and using GoPro Connect through Wi-Fi to connect up to your phone, which is all fantastic and wonderful and all that. And then you get carried away with that, or I did anyway, and think how great it is, and then take it to the computer and think all of a sudden it's not working. The GoPro Quick wasn't working, nothing was connecting. The only way I could get it to work was to take out the SD card and put it into the computer, take out the battery, all of that. So I thought, how can I connect up without going through all of that procedure? The simple way is right here in front of us. Instead of going to GoPro Connect, we take it back and choose MTP. And now, just using the USB slot in the side and straight into computer to its USB with the provided cable, away you go. It connects straight up, in my case, to Final Cut Pro X or 10, and away I go. I was able to import the files straight from the camera without all the mucking around of pulling out the battery, the SD card, putting it into the computer and going through all that procedure. Hope that's helpful for you guys. Remember, you got to choose MTP on your USB connection. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all again soon. Bye.